All right, boys and girls, so welcome every Gordon guitarist, legendary boy and girl out there. Welcome to this channel, and we're gonna learn Conor Maynard's song called Runaway Man. All right, so this follows a very simple chord progression pattern. 4 chord that rolls in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario, and we also love Conor's music, a great voice out there. So let's take a look at this one. We're gonna use mainly bar chords for this song. We're gonna start with E first, and as you can see, no need for any capo. Usually when we work with bar chords only, pretty much, we don't use capo. So we have E first. It goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. Next chord will be the F sharp, and that goes with a bar. You have the bar placed on this second fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add fourth on A, fourth on D, and third on G. Next chord will be the G sharp minor, and that's a bar on the fourth fret, and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. And the final chord is B, and usually we go on the second position right here, but I think it follows a very logic pattern to just continue with the same grip here. And that is to place the index finger on the 7th position now, push down all strings there, and then you need to add 9 on A, 9 on D, and 8 on G. So it just rolls like that. So E, F sharp, G sharp minor, and B. All right. Now we have a strumming pattern, 2 versions of it, and it alternates pretty much. So you can choose to go either way there. So if you grab the first chord E, the first one will be down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so down, up, down, and then down, down, up. That's the first one, and we're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So if you would consider this as the first part, and then the next strumming we're gonna learn as the second part, then that will be 1 round covered on the E, okay? If that makes sense. Or if you want to stay with this, you're gonna play 2 times of this. So down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Or you switch it up with the next pattern we're gonna learn now, which will be down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you start in the same way with down, up, down, but you end with down, up, down, up. Instead of down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it has a little bit extra work to it. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be like this. And that is what I would aim for, because it's played here throughout the song, both of these versions. So you're gonna play this. E, one of these 2 combos, and then F sharp, 1 combo, and then the G sharp minor, 1 combo, and then B, 1 combo. So like this. And that, my friend, is what rolls here in this song from Conor Maynard called Runaway Man. Hope that helped. And if it did, feel free to support me on this channel. If you like this tutorial, you also subscribe to this channel, and you will be back here for next upload. All right, that's how it goes. Thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.